We want to help you by selecting the best products.
November selection. Top 3.
Samsung WE402NC A3 Pededstal Champagne. Its approximate price is $269.
More details for your purchase in the video description.
Top 2.
110 volts compact apartment laundry dryer white 4.0 kilograms 8.8 lbs 2.65 cb.ft. Its approximate price is $269.
More details for your purchase in the video description.
Would you like us to make a video of a product? Let us know with your comments and support for the channel. Top 1.
Suncourt DEDPV patented Centrasense technology dryer booster fan kit UL 705 listed DRM04. Its approximate price is $269.
We hope we have helped you. If you would like us to update this or other reviews, let us know in the video comments.